Welcome to the 5-Minute Show, discovering secrets for healthy relationships. Explore 10 essential points for extraordinary connections in bite-sized episodes. Join us daily, navigating modern relationships in just 5 minutes. Let's make every minute count in pursuing love and connection. Number 1, keep it real. In a healthy relationship, it's all about being yourself. Share your real feelings, dreams, and the goofy moments that make you unique. It's like having a partner who knows you inside out. Honesty creates this special bond where you both feel seen and accepted, making the journey together more genuine, fun, and meaningful. So be real, be you, and let the magic happen. Number 2, realistic expectations. In a compatible partnership, it's about understanding nobody's the hero or the villain. Picture it like embracing everyone's unique flavor, sometimes sweet, sometimes salty. It's about being chill with how things truly are, not dreaming up a perfect movie scene. By navigating with practical expectations, the relationship becomes this exciting journey full of surprises and shared laughter, making it fun and real just the way it is. Number 3, embracing imperfections. In healthy relationships, it's about accepting your partner's quirks, realizing they're not perfect, and that's perfectly okay. It's like enjoying a good story with unexpected twists and turns, knowing that's what makes it uniquely yours. So, embrace the quirks, love the imperfections, and keep writing your beautiful story together. Number 4, heartfelt conversations. A relationship is all about talking, really being there for each other. Communication is the secret sauce to a healthy connection. Take time to genuinely listen without any interruptions. Understand their perspective like you're reading their favorite book. Ask questions, show interest, and share bits of your story. Like exchanging stories over coffee, it deepens your connection, creating a bond that's strong and comforting. Number 5, fair fights. Disagreements are opportunities for growth in relationships. Conflicts don't define connections. They're chances to understand. Respectfully address issues, focusing on solutions to strengthen bonds. This leads to deeper connections and understanding. Number 6, time to yourself. In a healthy relationship, we time is crucial. Daily moments dedicated to shared hobbies or relaxation strengthen bonds, renewing the partnership spirit. Prioritizing these moments ensures a journey of love and connection. Number 7, don't force things. In a healthy connection, if something doesn't feel right, don't force it. It's okay to agree to disagree in a positive way. Like puzzle pieces, everyone's unique, and that's the beauty. Don't squeeze into someone else's expectations. Instead, find a rhythm where both your tunes can play harmoniously, creating a comfortable and authentic connection. Number 8, spend quality time. Designate a weekly date night to infuse freshness into your connection. Whether it's a cozy night in or exploring the town, variety keeps the spark alive. Date nights can be as diverse as your love story. Try karaoke, bowling, revisiting cherished eateries, Oregon embracing nature on a hike. In the whirlwind of life, especially with work or kids, spending quality times is key to keep the spark alive. Number 9, keep the intimacy alive. In a romantic connection, initiate physical contact to build an intimate bond. Whether it's a cozy cuddle on the couch, hand-holding in public, frequent hugs, Oregon spontaneous kisses, let your actions speak the language of love. Open communication about intimacy is crucial. Discuss your preferences, expectations, desires, and limits openly and honestly. Understanding each other's needs lays the foundation for a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Number 10, learn to apologize and forgive. When you misstep, apologize sincerely. Be specific, acknowledge impact, and outline resolution. This fosters understanding. Forgiveness builds trust. Acknowledge negativity, release it, and extend forgiveness to avoid poisoning relationships with grudges. And that's a wrap on today's 5-Minute Show about building healthy relationships. If you liked what you heard, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Remember, a few minutes can make a big difference in your relationship. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation alive. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, this is the 5-Minute Show signing off.